GoPro cameras are still among the most used cameras by us underwater image makers. And that's no surprise. I mean, they're small, easy to operate, fairly inexpensive, and they produce decent looking underwater video results. The new GoPro Hero 12 claims to have some great new features. Let's talk about these new features in today's video. Let's see if they are beneficial for the use underwater and whether or not it is worth upgrading to this latest GoPro model. Let's do this. What's going on, guys? Great to see you back here on the channel with me today. I've been a big fan of GoPro cameras for quite some time, and I always have a GoPro with me when I'm on a scuba trip. I normally keep it attached to my main camera as kind of a B-cam that can run at higher frame rates or a wider field of view than my regular main camera. But even as a main camera for underwater, a GoPro is oftentimes a good choice, depending of course on the available budget and your needs. The GoPro Hero 12 claims to have these new features and improvements over its predecessors. It should have a battery life which is up to 2 times longer than the previous model, resulting in a runtime, a recording time of up to 70 minutes in 5.3K at 60 frames per second. You can now shoot in HDR video in 5.3K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second. You can extract 24.7 megapixel photos from your recorded videos. You can now go from horizontal to vertical recording without having to rotate the camera. The new Hypersmooth 6.0 offers even better stabilization than what we've already seen on previous models. And you can record your videos now in the brand new 10-bit GP log video profile. Personally, I think that there are 3 out of all these new features and improvements that will prove useful to us underwater videographers. First, the improved longer battery life. We all know how frustrating it is if you run out of battery towards the end of your dive, just as you're having that wildlife encounter you've been waiting for. The claimed 70 minutes in 5.3K at 60 frames per second should be plenty to get you through a regular dive. Second, the option to record in HDR is quite interesting as it gives you more details in the shadows and the highlights of your recorded images. This is particularly useful in high contrast situations, like we do encounter them quite regularly underwater. Keep in mind though that color grading and correcting HDR footage is somehow a little more challenging than with regular SDR footage, so it might not be the ideal solution to pick that recording option for everyone out there. And third, and for me the biggest improvement, is the introduction of the all-new 10-bit GP log format. This should make color grading much easier and lead to much better end results. An area in which GoPro hasn't really been all that great in the past. But keep in mind that you will need to color grade log videos to make them look really good. No sharing your GoPro videos right away without doing anything to them beforehand. Maybe I should create some new LUTs that convert your GP log footage into good looking Rec 709 clips with one simple click. How would you like that? And there you have it. those are the 3 features that I think will be beneficial in the brand new GoPro Hero 12 for filming underwater. Will I upgrade? Of course. I am especially interested in testing out the new 10-bit GP log format and have already ordered the new GoPro Hero 12. Mine should arrive here just in time for the upcoming group trip to the Philippines, and I can't wait to take it into the water and test it thoroughly throughout that trip. How do you feel about the new GoPro Hero 12? Are you upgrading, or have you even received your new camera already? Let me know down in the comment section below. And that's it for today's quick video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video and subscribe to the channel so you're not missing out on the full review of the GoPro Hero 12 as an underwater camera that will come up here on the channel soon. Until next week guys, have a great week, keep capturing all those amazing underwater adventures of yours, and I will see you next Tuesday.